from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Alex, and today's video is going to be a fall decor haul. And I know you guys are probably thinking like, dude, fall's already over, move on to Christmas. But I never put up a fall haul video because the way we do fall decorations around here is I love to go shopping once all the Christmas stuff goes on sale. Because today I went into Hobby Lobby and all this stuff was 80% off. I did a poll on Instagram for you guys, and you guys were like, just make a video on it, we want to see what you got. So I wanted to share with you guys. I have about, I think it was 24 items here that I purchased today. My total came out to $86. I saved a total of $319. So I just love that savings. I mean, you cannot beat the prices. I don't think I paid over $10 for a single item that's here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. This sign here is something that I actually bought for my dining room because I feel like this is just something that you can use like all year round, and I've been looking for something and it was really good price. So I have a couple of signs. I'm not sure which one I'm going to keep. It's either going to be this one here, or this one. So I'm just gonna like hang it up in the area where I'm planning on using it and see which one is gonna work for the space. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping all of those, or I might, just because they were so stupidly cheap. I also got this sign here, and I feel like so many people got this from Hobby Lobby this year, and I almost went and got it, but then I told myself, okay, if when it goes on sale afterwards, like when everything is left over, I'll get it. So I picked it up today, and I just really love it. I think it's so cute. It's like farmhouse style, exactly what I like. I got this one, and I did get some florals. These things came out to like almost like $1, maybe a little bit more each. So again, I think that these ones are something that I could use like all year round, especially with farmhouse style. It's very easy to use so many of these things all year round. This was another thing that I picked up, and while it has like a saying here that's kind of like fall themed, you could easily turn this around and then you have all year round decor again. I also picked up this garland. It's just so cute. The leaves are made of burlap, and then it's like this copper color and clothespin on. I think it's folded in half, so it's supposed to be like really long, 6 feet banner. Another thing I got is this, and this I'm actually not even going to use right now because I still don't have a table. I don't know, I think we're gonna end up making one for the space that I want to use it in, but this would be perfect tray for a table. It could be for a dining room or for a living room table. What's called a coffee table. It could be perfect for a coffee table. This came out to like $7 for this big huge thing. Like, it's huge. The regular price was $35, so I had to pick that one up. And the way that these bead handles are here, I found this wood bead garland, which I also intend on using year-round decor. I haven't decided yet. I might paint it, and there's enough here to make like 2 garlands out of this, so I really liked this. Oh, I also picked up 2 of these like cotton wreaths. You can kind of like extend these out, like open them up a little bit, but cotton is also something that you can use year round with farmhouse decor, so I picked that up. I got a set of pumpkins, so I got countless more pumpkins, but that's the whole point of fall, right? I got this really cute sign. It's like a farmhouse, and it just says welcome fall on it. A few more pumpkins. These ones are just kind of like random. This one's a metal one, and then these two are just like a foam, but they're already like painted for you, so I don't have to go and buy like the Dollar Tree ones. They came out to $1.80 versus having to go and buy like ones from the Dollar Tree and then painting them yourself and everything, so got to save myself some time with these. I also picked up this really big sign. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this one yet, but I just thought it was so cute. I love like the burnt orange colors for fall, burnt orange, and just sticking with that same kind of like a neutral color tone. And I picked up this little sign. This might be something that I use year round as well. My favorite thing that I found today was one of these trays. So these trays you can use obviously all year round, and just decorate it per season. This came out to $7. $7. I've never seen any style of these that cheap, but because it was marked a fall item, then it was also counted as like the discounted group of 80%. So yeah, that is everything that I got today. So hopefully, I'm making this video, it's Monday right now. I'm gonna try to post it up on Tuesday. So hopefully there's still some stuff left in your Hobby Lobby. And if you haven't already, run to Hobby Lobby, because this stuff is gonna be gone so quick. It was crazy in the store when I went today, and that's because I wasn't even going for this stuff. I was going for something entirely different, and it was on sale, so I went shopping. But if you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. That way I know that you guys like it. Maybe I'll do another one like this for Christmas. I'll probably buy a few things for Christmas before. But again, I love shopping after the holidays because you can get all this stuff for so cheap. Literally everything here came out to under $100. So that's just the way I like to do things. I guess I'm extremely cheap. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. There's literally a fly on my camera with all the pumpkins.